Hi students, today we are going to see the vocabulary junction in lesson 7. What is the lesson topic name? Preamble to the Constitution of India. In this lesson we are going to see the vocabulary junction. Okay, see, take page number 5 in book B. Okay, the preamble talks about qualities like justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Okay, I am going to write some words. You can find love, pain, childhood, angry, honest. What is the similarity between these words? What are the same thing inside these words? See here, love, pain, childhood, angry, honest. Yes, in 5th standard we learn about abstract noun, right? Yes, that same we are going to see now. What is meant by love? Love we are able to only feel. Yes, we are not able to see, we are not able to touch, we are not able to smell, we are not able to taste. So it is we are able to only feel, not able to do anything, right? And also pain. See, pain also we are only able to feel. Childhood, if child means we are able to see or touch or do something. Yes, so it comes under, child is come under common noun, but childhood it is comes under abstract noun. And angry we only able to feel. Yes, and honest we only able to feel. So it all abstract noun. Today we are going to learn the topic abstract noun. Abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun means we are only able to feel, not able to see or touch or smell or taste. Okay, see here. In our book, the Constitution, yes, justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. See, justice, equality, fraternity, and liberty. See, justice. What is meant by justice? Needy. Neediya nammalaala enna செய்ய முடியும்? Feel தான் பண்ண முடியும். We are not able to see or touch or do anything. Okay? And equality. We give equal preference to everyone. Which means we are able to only feel. We are not able to see or taste or smell. And fraternity. What is meant by fraternity? Sahodratvam. We are able to only feel. And liberty. Liberty means freedom, independence. We are only able to feel. We are not able to see or touch or smell, taste. Okay, and see now abstract nouns. See the blue box. Abstract nouns are nouns that describe intangible things. Intangible things means we are not able to see. அதாவது புலனாகாத, கண்ணால பார்க்க முடியாத. Okay, intangible things that cannot be seen. Already I told, cannot be seen, cannot be touched, cannot be hear, cannot be smell, cannot be taste. They could be feelings. Already I told, feelings only feel பண்ண முடியும். Qualities, relationship, theory, condition or even states of being. Okay, see here, for feeling example is love, happiness, sadness. அதாவது நம்மளோட ஃபீலிங். ஓகேவா? லவ் அன்பா இருக்கிறது, ஹாப்பினஸ் சந்தோஷமா இருக்குது, sadness சோகமா இருக்குது. இதெல்லாம் நம்மளோட ஃபீலிங். And qualities. Quality means we can judge the quality, right? It is best, it is worst, like that. Okay, see, beauty. Okay, beauty means we can describe others through this beauty quality. So we are not able to see or touch or smell or taste. Yes, we are able to only feel. இப்போ ஒருத்தங்க அழகாவே இல்லைனாலும் நம்ம அழகா இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம அதாவது நம்ம பார்க்குற விதத்துல தான் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே which means அவங்க அழகாவே இல்லைனாலும் நம்ம பார்க்குறது அழகா இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா நம்ம கண்ணுக்கு அவங்க எப்படி தெரிவாங்க அழகா தெரிவாங்க ஸோ பியூட்டி இஸ் நாட் comes under the see or touch or smell yes it comes under feelings it comes under qualities it comes under abstract noun okay intelligence yes intelligent behave பண்றாங்க ஸோ அந்த பிஹேவியரை வச்சு தான் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண முடியும் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜெனரசிட்டி பொதுவாக சொல்றது நெக்ஸ்ட் தியரிஸ் அண்ட் சப்ஜெக்ட் yes it is also comes under see for example we can take music we are only able to feel we are able to touch the music no we are able to see the music no so it comes under abstract noun and condition means childhood already I explained about childhood and youth slavery that comes under abstract noun and now take page number 6 here are some sentences with abstract noun see here the little girl's bravery left as spellbound means எழுத்து பிழை குட்டி பிள்ளைகள் வந்து தப்பா எழுதுவாங்கல்ல ஆனாலும் தைரியமா எழுதுறாங்க brave see brave னா தைரியம்ங்கிறது we are able to only feel yes next one leisure it is my leisure time it is my free time so we are able to only feel next one see knowledge is also comes under abstract noun knowledge இவனுக்கு இவ்வளவு அறிவு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு மண்டே போலந்தா பாப்பாங்க no we are only able to feel if some answers they know means we are to say he is a knowledgeable person she is a knowledgeable person yes next one birth of Lord Krishna is celebrated all over India so birth also abstract noun okay next now we are moving to the exercise underline the abstract noun in these sentences only we want to underline the words see first one the length of the rope was not enough see the length of the rope length வந்து காணாது so which is the answer here which we are able to only feel yes length what is the first one so underline the word length and now let me move to the second one there is a vacancy for the post of associate director is a post we also we only able to feel yes this post is in vacancy this post is in vacancy we are only able to feel idile all illa so நம்ம போலாம் அப்படினு ஓகேவா so two words will come under abstract now what are the words here vacancy post so underline the word vacancy and post and next one third one Indians had to struggle hard to get independence see independent liberty yes liberty means also independence sudandram okay independence we are able to only feel we are not able to touch or smell or taste yes so independence so underline the word independence next one intelligence can often overpower strength so intelligence we are able to only feel so it comes under abstract now and strength see strength which means if one lion is comes against you means you can fight then only you are able to move means you now okay I am able to do like that you can fight with the lion and move on to the next place so it strength is from our feeling it only it is coming out right we are not able to feel we are not able to see or touch or smell or taste okay next one so which is the answer here intelligence strength both are answers so underline the word intelligence strength and the fifth one is the candle did not make much difference to the darkness in the room see the word difference between this and that which means we are able to only feel the word difference we are not able to touch the word difference or smell or taste yes so which is the word here difference is the abstract noun and darkness also okay underline the word darkness okay now second round letter fill in the blanks with abstract noun refer to the hints in the bracketல கொடுத்திருக்க வேர்டை வச்சு அதுக்கு abstract noun நம்ம இந்த sentence capped ஆனபடி எழுதணும் ஓகேவா now first one dash to animals is a punishable offense dash to animals is a punishable offense அதாவது அனிமலை நம்ம கொடுமைப்படுத்துறது பனிஷபிள், ஓகேவா, பனிஷ்மெண்ட் கொடுக்க வேண்டியது. ஸோ cruel, give the word, the option is cruel. Cruel means what meaning in Tamil? கொடுமை, ஓகேவா, அனிமலை கொடுமைப்படுத்தக்கூடாது. ஸோ which is the answer will come here? Cruelty. What is the first one answer? Cruelty. And the second one, Ashraf went on a dash to Mecca. Okay, see the option, pilgrim. What is mean by pilgrim? யாத்ரீகர்கள். Okay, they can do the worship in the temple. Yes, yes they are. Okay, temple or mosque. Yes, it is Mecca, so it is mosque, I think so. Okay, Ashraf went on a dash to Mecca. So Ashraf is a man or boy. He went to the Mecca to pilgrimage. Okay, he is going there to the Mecca. So which word will come here? Pilgrim. So we can use as an abstract noun as pilgrimage. Pilgrimage. Okay, pilgrimage. Okay, next, it is my great dash to welcome our honored guest. Please, see the option is please. We are very pleasure to welcome to our chief guest. So which is the answer will come here for the abstract noun? Pleasure. So third one is pleasure. And the fourth one, dash is a very rare quality in people today. Now the people has the high quality. Yes, they don't be simple in any places. They feel very proud and make something good and showing them we are the best, like that, right? But they are not showing their simplicity to the other people, right? So see here, dash is a very rare quality in people today. See, the option is simple. So simplicity. இப்போ சிம்பிளா இருக்கிறவங்க ரொம்ப கொஞ்சம் பேர் தான் இருக்காங்க. So simplicity. Which is the answer here? Simplicity. And the fifth one, Sahana's dash towards her work is admirable. Sahana's dash towards her work is admirable. ஒரு வேலைன்னு செஞ்சா சஹானா வந்து அப்படி ரொம்ப உள்ள கஷ்டப்பட்டு செய்வா. So option is dedicate. Okay va? So what is the answer will come here? Dedication. Dedication. See, all the words, cruelty, pilgrimage, pleasure, simplicity, dedication, these all comes under the abstract noun. Abstract noun means we are not able to see, we are not able to touch, only we are able to feel, quality, theory. Yes, these all come under the abstract noun. And now we are moving to the next one. Fill in the blanks with appropriate abstract noun. See the first one. Okay, first one, I did like to travel the world if I had the dash and money for it. இப்போ என் கையில பணமும் இன்னொன்று ஓகேவா இருந்தா இந்த வேர்ல்டையே நான் டிராவல் பண்ணிட்டு வந்துடுவேன். Which means if I have money and also one more thing, abstract noun. Using abstract noun, what we can say? Yes, time. Time we are only able to feel. Yes, time aichi. So we are able to feel. So first one answer is time. If I had money and also time means I will travel all over the world. Okay. Next one. I respect other people's dash. Here we want to write abstract noun. We can write decision, freedom, choices. அதாவது அடுத்தவங்களோட ஒப்பீனியனுக்கு, அடுத்தவங்களோட டெசிஷன், அடுத்தவங்களோட சாய்ஸஸ்க்கு நான் வந்து இடம் கொடுப்பேன். I respect. I give respect to their ideas. So, which is the answer will come here? You can choose any one of this. Okay, decisions or freedom or choices. These all the answers are correct. Okay, next third one. See the third one. The players showed such on the field. Such dash on the field. And the players on the field la செம்மையா விளையாண்டாங்க. So which is the answer will come here? Sportsmanship. Which means அவங்க எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து அந்த விளையாட்டை சூப்பரா விளையாண்டாங்க. So sportsmanship. Sportsmanship. So next fourth one. This accident happened due to dash. இந்த accident இதனால தான் நடந்தது. எதனால? Using abstract noun we want to say. What we can say? Yes, carelessness. Carelessness it comes under abstract noun. Negligence. Negligence na கவனக்குறைவு. Okay? Oversight. Oversight na ரோட்ட பார்க்காம அங்க இங்க இப்படி பார்த்துட்டு போறதுனால accident ஆகும். So these three answers are correct. Okay? Carelessness. Carelessness or negligence or oversight. Oversight. Okay, next fifth one. You must not take everybody's dash seriously. You must not take everyone's suggestion seriously. Suggestion na அவங்க ஒரு ஒப்பீனியன் சொல்லுவாங்க, இவங்க ஒரு அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஒவ்வொருத்தரையும் சொல்றதையும் நம்ம எடுக்க கூடாது. நம்மளுக்கு எது கரெக்ட்னு படுதோ, ஒருவேளை அவங்க சொன்னது கரெக்டா இருந்தா நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். So these all comes under abstract noun, opinion, advice, complaints. Okay? Opinion, advice or complaints. These all comes under abstract noun. See all the words: time, decision, freedom, choices, sportsmanship, carelessness, negligence, oversight, opinions, advice, complaints. See all the words are comes under abstract noun because we are not able to see or touch or smell or taste. We are only able to feel these words. Okay? And see here, make sentences with these abstract noun. See here some words are here: success, pain, charity, dedication, dream. Okay, 5 words are here. This is your homework for these 5 abstract noun. Abstract noun means we know it, we are not able to feel, we are not able to see or touch or smell. We are only able to feel. So for these 5 words you want to frame a sentence, make a sentence. And also one more homework for you is synonyms and antonyms. Learn and write one time. 2 homework I gave. For these 5 words you want to write the, make the sentence and learn and write the synonyms and antonyms in lesson 7. I hope you all understand the abstract noun. Thank you, students.